That might have been too much. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Aaliyah, and today I'm going to be doing a faux pink, matte pink, everything pink sort of look. Hair Conda on Twitter tweeted this tweet, so I decided that I need to try it because I've never actually done like a full pink look. I kind of like it. I may have to wear it. It's giving me Barbie vibes. I'm hoping that my blue backdrop isn't throwing it off too much, but I think it's cute. She's cute. So today's video is going to be me not talking because I really just sit down here and recorded this. And I wasn't talking, and I don't think I'm going to do a talk through a voiceover for it because I don't know, but I'm just trying to give y'all a little flavor. Just a little flavor, you know what I'm saying? Different. Not trying to give y'all the same thing every time I do a video, so a little something for everybody. On to the video. enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like, comment on it, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video.